स्टार्ट कर।
Hello everyone, this is B Group A and our project title is Hospital Management System. So this is our code. First of all, we have included header files like IOStream and vector because we are going to use vector in this and algorithms. And then we have created a class hospital database in which public we have stored all the patient's name, date of admission, disease, date of discharge, patient's age, and then we have created a function void get data in which we have asked the patient to enter his details and all. After that we have created a function display to get all the details which have been entered by the patients, and then we'll compare. We have created a function bool compare to get the sorted array, sorted name of the patients, and then in int main we have asked the total number of records to be entered in the database, and that then we have created vector using a class name which we have created. So using do while loop, here it is the menu. If we press 1, then we can enter the data. Or if we press 2, the data which have been entered will be displayed. And when we press 3, then we'll get the sorted data. And if we want to search any data, then we have to press 4. And the last is when we press 5, we'll exit the code. So this is the code which has been created by Shiv Prasad, Manas, Suraj, and me, myself Nitin Chaudhary. And so we have created a patience block. So thank you so much. And here it is the execution of the code. Like if we enter one, it will ask patient's name, enter date of admission, disease which the patient was, like corona, and then date of discharge and the age of the patient. And again, it will ask the patient name because we have entered total number of records as 2. Again, the same, enter the disease of the patient, date of discharge. Now again, it will ask with which we have to execute. Again, we have to execute insert display. If we press 2, it will display the records which we have entered, like this first patient name, second. And when we press 3, it will sort the entered data. Yes, it will sort the entered data. As you can see that patient's name JKD was the second when we entered the data, and after sorting it came at the first. And if we press 4, it will search the records which we have entered, like SSB. Yes, it is, output will be record has been found. And when we press 5, we will end the code and we will be out of the code. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much for listening patiently.